Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to use silicone molds to mold gummies, fondant, and chocolate. Some silicone molds can withstand a higher temperature to make things like hard candy. Be sure you check the temperature specifications on your mold before using it. Let us know in the comments if you prefer to use silicone molds or plastic ones. Silicone molds are great to use in a variety of applications because they are pliable, which makes removing your treat much easier. While this aspect is easier, these molds generally do not have a lot of structure, so when you move the mold, it may distort your treat. Continue watching this video to learn how to use silicone molds in different applications and some tips along the way. Let's get started. Silicone molds are great for molding solid and filled chocolates. Start by melting candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. These molds are very flexible, so before filling the cavities, place on a sheet pan. You can fill the mold by pouring in the chocolate or filling a tipless bag with the melted chocolate, then pipe into each cavity. Both of these methods can be used, but make sure to clean up the edges if you pour in the chocolate. Place the mold on the sheet pan in the refrigerator to set up for 15 to 20 minutes. To remove the chocolate pieces from the mold, gently pull the mold away from the edges of the chocolate. Then, gently press on the back side of the mold to remove the chocolate. If your mold has small spaces, like this one does for the dinosaurs, make sure to be extra careful when removing them. Next, I will show you how to make filled chocolates using this mold. Melt chocolate in the microwave using 30-second intervals. Pour into a tipless bag, then fill each cavity full with this chocolate. Tap the mold on the counter to remove any air bubbles, then allow it to set at room temperature for 5 minutes. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper and invert the mold over it. Gently shake the mold to remove excess chocolate. Scrape the top of the mold with a spatula to clean up the edges and allow it to set at room temperature for another 10 minutes to allow the chocolate to set up completely. If you are using a pre-made candy center, make sure it is mixed well. Fill each cavity with the candy center, making sure to leave some space at the top. Gently tap the mold on the counter to settle the filling. Allow the filling to set up slightly while melting any remaining chocolate. The chocolate that has set up on the parchment paper can be removed and remelted. Fill the remaining space in each cavity with the melted candy coating and scrape with a spatula to create a smooth, flat surface. Place these in the refrigerator on a sheet pan for 15 minutes to allow it to set up completely. To remove the chocolate pieces, carefully pull the mold away from the sides of the chocolate and press on the back side of the mold to release. Next, I will show you how to mold fondant in this dinosaur mold as well as a flower mold. Dust the mold cavities with powdered sugar, then remove excess by tapping on your work surface. Knead your fondant until it is smooth and press into the mold. Use a poly blade or a sharp knife to remove excess fondant. Gently stretch the mold away from the fondant and press on the back of the mold to release. As you can see, this fondant piece is very thick. If you want to use this mold but prefer thinner pieces of fondant, only fill the mold half full with the fondant. This dinosaur mold is best used for filled chocolate pieces and gummy candy. Use molds like this flower one to mold fondant. These molds are made to create thinner and more realistic fondant decorations. The final method I will show you is how to mold gummy candy in this silicone mold. Start by placing the mold on a sheet pan and lightly spraying with nonstick spray. Make your gummy candy according to your recipe or package directions. The candy can be poured into each cavity, but this is often messy. So try using a dropper to perfectly fill each cavity. Place these in the refrigerator for 20 minutes or according to your recipe. Remove the candy from the mold by gently pressing on the back side of the mold. You can remove excess nonstick spray by dabbing with a paper towel. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and any other videos you would like to see in the future. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the miscellaneous or chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and check out our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.